This is Pandora from our Maskan Bari Eid collection. This is the front panel of it on a very beautiful plum, solid color with black sequins embroidery. This is also part of the front panel, nice and shiny. These are the side panels which go on the left and right. It's a very beautiful black sequins embroidery panel. It also has this organza border which will go on the front and back. Very different, decent, intricate embroidery. It comes with these sleeves. These are the sleeves. This is the border of it. Very different design. And it also comes with this border on organza. This is the plain back. And it comes with this very nice black and plum organza dupatta. It has this embroidery on the border. The dupatta also comes with this patch. Very nice plum and pink embroidery that you can style, and comes with a plain trouser.